I honestly believe somebody else from Seattle would get it.
Esteban Velasquez is a senior.
Why us? And they finally, when they chose us, I knew, okay, we got to put in the work.
Christina Tanta is a junior.
I wanted to be an aerospace engineer who deals with actual space engineering.
That dream is coming true. You see, that's them just a few weeks ago flying weightless in a NASA zero-gravity plane near the Johnson Space Flight Center in Houston, Texas. Those kids are working on a project to solve a real problem for NASA, keeping fruit for astronauts fresh longer by preserving apples in a mixture of nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. The question they had to answer by flying weightless: did the gases separate, stratify?
From our results, we can find no stratification.
Now it's on to the next step. Miniaturize what's in here.
What, you make it into a tincture?
Small box that will be sent up to the International Space Station for a longer-term test.
And that means we can continue with our project, and hopefully we can actually put an apple in space.
Many kids here are from farm families with limited income. Located on the Yakima Indian Reservation, most students here are Native American, Hispanic, or Filipino. Space is a way up.
I already have lists of colleges I'd like to go to.
Study computer science?
I'm looking at you, Doug.
I have the ability now to say that I worked for NASA. I can't stop thinking about flying.
For Brandon Nez, he was skipping his traditional high school classes, but space turned his education around.
I was even facing that a year ago too, that I wouldn't even graduate. So now I am this program. That man kicked my butt into school.
I will do anything to go to space.
What else is amazing is that 5 years ago, Wapato High School didn't even have any science lab.
What an awesome experience for those kids.
Yeah, I guess now they have a new building, and it's just one of the factors that's bumped graduation rates, get this, up to 95%. You know, if they love it, they'll come to class, right?
It's amazing what a change it has made. I guess going up into the vomit comet really can make your life turn around.
Have you been in the vomit comet?
I haven't, but I've talked to people who have been in it before, and it's true to its name.
Yeah,
I understand.
I'll wait and hear your stories about it. Oregon lawmakers now considering a major change in the legal system.
It has to do with grand juries and whether their work should be recorded. A lot of people are interested in where this is going to go. Joe Dahlman's in the newsroom with the Fast Forward to 5.
Yeah, I'll get to that in just a second, but we wanted to let you know, of course, there has been an arrest in that kidnapping out on the coast. Police arrested a suspect in Cannon Beach, and we're expecting comments from the police chief in Astoria any minute now. We will certainly let you know when that happens. Meantime, back to the situation that's happening down at the state capitol. It would be a huge change, Reggie. As we know, grand jury testimony is secret and is protected. Only the prosecutors get to see what's discussed or how grand juries decide whether to charge someone. But defense lawyers and others are questioning that. Why is it secret, and should it be? Lawmakers are looking at a change that would allow that testimony to be recorded and then in some cases released. It's a very interesting story, again, that's brought about a lot of good arguments and points, and we'll bring you up to date tonight at 5.